quick little tool haul today from O'Reilly's. So I got this Power Torque 8-inch ratcheting adjustable wrench from O'Reilly's. It says auto release on the handle, and if you look at it, when you twist the handle, it actually lifts to ratchet, so it rotates for you. So I thought that was pretty neat. And then I got this 3/8 drive 2-piece low profile ratchet set. This one, before I go on, the ratcheting adjustable wrench is part number GM8656. And then the 3/8 drive 2-piece low profile ratchet with adapter, it's GM9098. And it's got this, so I can take it out the package, adapter, which makes it low profile, and then it's got a release key. And I bought the socket pack for it, which is standard and metric, and these are universals. It's 8-piece, which is for the 3/8 drive. It is GM9099. And then I talked about this the other day in another tool haul, but this is the 1/4 inch, same as the 3/8 I'm showing today. But I actually got the metric pack of sockets for it, which is GM4234. And then I got the standard pack of sockets for it, which is GM4233. And then if I take one of these out, it, for the 1/4 inch, and you can actually put sockets in this. So that's what they would look like on this 1/4 inch low profile. And the other cool thing about these is they also have where you can use a standard ratchet on them. So you can actually attach it like that if you wanted to. Or if you just want to use regular standard standard ratchet, you don't want to use this low profile ratchet, you can use these sockets with other ratchets, which is kind of nice. And like I said a minute ago, I actually got the 3/8 version because I didn't know they had a 3/8 version, so I picked that up. And then I picked up this little 9-piece, part number GM4315, 1/4 inch drive 2-way reversible ratchet with magnetic base. And this actually is for bits, and I thought it was kind of neat because look how tiny the ratchet is. So it folds like that, and you could use you could put sockets on this too. It's a little 1/4 inch that you can put sockets on. So if you just needed something that had a smaller handle, you could do that. A little socket. And this was 14. This set of sockets for the 1/4 inch was, this set of sockets was $12.99 for the 1/4 inch. This set, 9-piece set, was $12.99. This one's metric and this one is standard. And then this one was the 3/8 2-piece was $19.99, and then this set of sockets was $12.99, and this ratcheting adjustable wrench was $14.99, and then this little ratchet here was also $14.99. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you like these videos, and let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.